Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to activate Hulu with T-Mobile. It's very easy and simple, but first what you need to do, of course, is you need to verify eligibility, okay? Make sure you're actually subscribed to a T-Mobile plan that actually includes Hulu as a complimentary benefit, such as a Go 5G, okay? Go ahead and do that. And then what you do is you access your you know, T-Mobile app or website. So you need to exit your account basically. And then what you do is you navigate to plan benefits, right? And within your account, once you have located plan benefits or perks section, some users may actually find the benefits under manage data, add-ons, and benefits. But when you find it, okay, once you find that, you just follow the prompt to activate your subscription, and you may need to check on the redeem box. Okay, there'll be a small redeem box. Go ahead and check that. Click on that. Then you can go ahead and create or link your Hulu account. So if you're new to Hulu, you'll be prompted to create an account. And if you already have a Hulu subscription or an account, you can link it to your T-Mobile subscription. Okay, so you can see right here. You just go ahead and check that. You just check on that add-on, and then you get that. So see, it's on us. Okay, they're paying for that. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button. As well, subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in